We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge in a Brother MFC7840w. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull this little latch down. And then right here is the handle. Go ahead and grab your toner drum. It might be a little hard to get out. Just go ahead and try to pull as gently as you can. Then you're going to press this green tab here and release your toner from your drum. Then you're going to take your new toner, insert it in your drum, and this printer you do not need to reset the toner. It will reset itself. And then you want to make sure you put it in the correct way so you don't have issues getting it out. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Shut your hatch all the way, then you should be good to go. If you're in need of supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.